Oh yes, good day everyone. Today is another beautiful day and I want to use this opportunity to welcome you to Mathematics Solutions Center. We have a question here. Factorize 4a plus 3 inside the bracket raised to power 2 minus 3a minus 2 inside the bracket again raised to power 2, and I give an instruction on top that don't waste your time expanding this, because you don't need to expand it, because if you don't know the rule, somebody might start expanding this and you end up wasting more time on this simple question that you can just take like 3 steps to get your right answer. Now let's see how it goes. Okay, actually what I can see here is just difference of two squares. A squared minus b squared. How do you factorize this? The factorization of this is actually a minus b in a bracket and then a plus b. This is the factorization of this expression. If I should expand this, what I'm going to get is this. And that's the same principle we are going to use now. You can try to expand this and then you find out that you will get this. Now I'm going to apply that to this. Then that means I will take this side to be a and this to be b. So, and I'm going to have a minus b. What is my a? So let's write it out. A is equal to everything we have inside the first bracket, 4a plus 3. 4a plus 3. And b is equal to what? We have to take these steps one after the other. We are doing this. A is equal to this, b is equal to this for proper explanation. It's not that if I want to solve this without even substituting a for anything, I will know what to do. The formula is a plus b and a minus b. So I'm going to have my a is 4a plus 3, then plus b plus 3a minus 2. Close your bracket, open another bracket. Inside the second bracket, I have a minus b. My a is 4a plus 3, then minus, open a bracket, so as not to make mistake, 3a minus 2. Then close your bracket. Then simplify what you have inside the first bracket. 4a plus 3a, that is going to give us 7a. 3 minus 2, that is plus 1 inside the bracket. Open the second bracket. We have 4a minus 3a plus 3 plus 2. Because minus times 3a is minus 3a. Minus times minus 2, that is plus 2. Therefore, I have 7a plus 1 into bracket a plus 5. This is my final answer to this question. 7a plus 1, a plus 5. Option C is the correct answer. 7a plus 1, a plus 5. We have come to the end of this tutorial and we want to use this opportunity to appreciate you for watching. And if you have not subscribed to this YouTube channel, please kindly click the subscription button, like the video, share it, and don't forget to click the notification button so that you will be notified anytime I upload a new video. Thanks and remain blessed.